Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who viewed your Facebook profile. So first of all, just open up the Facebook application in your mobile. And when you are here, you have to tap on your profile picture or the menu icon in the top right corner. Now tap on your profile or your name here. It will take you on your profile page. Now you have to tap on these three dots here, and in this menu, you have to select this. You will see the option here, turn on professional mode. I have already turned it on, so you have to turn your professional mode on and then go back to your profile, and then you will see these options here. So you have to tap on this professional dashboard and you will see these kind of options now. So if you scroll down, you will see this option, professional mode setup. Just simply tap on it, then scroll down again, and here you can see these options in the top, insights, content, growth, money. So we have to tap on this insights, and you can see this reach, engagement, net followers, or all these things. Many people viewed your profile. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.